Hello everyone, myself Ravi Kumar. Uh, Let us start with another new program, that is program number J7B. The program name is hex multiplication, that is by repeated addition. So hex multiplication of two numbers by repeated addition. In that what we will do is main in this program, even name is multiplication, we are using add instruction. So this is the basically multiplication program. So even in multiplication table also by repeated addition, we for that we have to use add. So a double d instruction we have to use, because repeated addition, repeated addition also we will get the result as a multiplied result of that given two numbers. Okay, so this is the basic program what we done in the last program in J7A, that is also multiplication. So this is different, this is by repeated addition, not directly by multiplication by using not by using directly mul instruction. We will use this add instruction and we can perform as a result like multiplication also, like. So use AX register, because I already told in the last program also that the result of that multiplication will be always high. So therefore we should have to use AX register, that is 16-bit register. So this is all funda. So let us start execute the program or run the program in DOSBox. So now type edit space file name j7b dot asm. So click on enter, and this is the program, that is hex multiplication by repeated addition. So now I will go through the explanation of program. So first is data segment, which we know. So org0h n1db0a7fh, which I want to multiply with the n2, that is db05h by repeated addition. So I have to add 5 times, that I have to add this 5 times. So 07fh I have to add 5 times, then I will get result like 07fh is multiplied with 05h. So this is the way of multiplication we done. So that will be also done by repeated addition. So org 001h result will be like it will be 16-bit, therefore use dw data word, that is word question mark and data ends. Then start with the code segment, assume css code dss data, these are all fixed lines in every program. And now start move cl comma 05. Why 05 means so here 05 is there, another data is 05 is there, I have to multiply this with this, means I have to add this 07fh by 5 times, so therefore count will be 05. Then we are using in this x register, therefore x is the combination of al plus h. So therefore move al to 0, move 0 to h, both register make 0 first. Then afterwards now the main part of the program start here. So forget about go back now. First add 1, that is n1, that is 07fh to al register. Then after moving or the adding n1 to al, so if at all you get carry, you have to add here. If at all you get carry, you have to add that to h register. If at all you should not, if you not get any carry, means jump if no carry down. If at all you are if you not get any carry, means you have to go down instruction. So down label, what is down label? Decrement, it will decrement count. So 05 is there. So afterwards again, after 04 05 03 up to it will become 0, it will again go back, decrement cl jnz go back, if jump if non-zero go back. So count till count become 0, it will again continue, it will go back here, add again jnc down, if at all there is carry it will add, if no carry again come this. When count line, that is cl becomes 0, it will end the program. Or I can say I have to store the result. So ax register, that will be result, ax, the result will be in ax, that will be stored in result memory location as result, and end the program, that is by move h comma 4h and int 21h code ends end main. So let us run the program in DOSBox or execute. uh, so for that, type masm space j7b dot asm semicolon, click on enter. Zero warning errors and zero severe errors you should have to get. I'm getting like that. So j7b dot obj semicolon, click on enter. Now the step is debug space 0 j7b dot exe. So click on again enter, you get a slash, type u for unassemble. So you should have to find out h comma 4c offset address. So for that I will be getting 1b, therefore type g is equal to 0 space 1b, click on enter. So result will be in ax. So I want to see in what is that the memory. So therefore type d space ds colon 0, click on enter. So this is the required result. In first row you are seeing that the given data, that is 7fn05, which I want to multiply by repeated addition. So the result will be in second column, that is 0 to 7b. So this is result you can expect from this. So already always we have to read the result like from backward, that is not read like 7b0 to 0 to 7b is the result of this 7f into 05 by repeated addition, means 7f 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 you have to add 5 times. Thank you.